So is the Amazon FBA dream finally over? That's the big question we're tackling right now. With all the rising fees and crazy competition, a lot of people think its golden era is gone.
But hold on, before we call it, let's see what the numbers are actually telling us.
In 2025 alone, sellers on Amazon moved an incredible $830 billion worth of products.
And that's because you're tapping in to over 230 million loyal Prime members across the globe.
And get this, third-party sellers, many using FBA, are now driving over 60% of total sales. So FBA isn't dead. The game has just changed. This isn't a casual side hustle anymore. Yup, the days of easy wins are over. Now you really need to know what you're doing.
So what does this new professional era look like? Well, it starts with facing the rising costs.
Fees are up pretty much everywhere, and that's squeezing margins for almost every type of seller. We're talking new placement fees, higher storage costs. You just have to be smarter with inventory. But here's the thing, the best sellers aren't quitting. They're just adapting their strategy to win. One of the smartest moves they're making, it's a strategy called hybrid fulfillment. You basically blend FBA with another logistics partner. It saves money and gives you flexibility. Winning today also means using Amazon's own tools to build a real brand. It really boosts sales.
And finally, you have to adapt to Rufus, Amazon's AI assistant. It's a total game changer.
This means writing listings that answer real questions, because you better believe the AI is reading everything. Okay, so after all that, can you still actually make money? The data says a clear yes. Check this out, nearly half of all sellers are hitting really healthy profit margins of 11 to 25%. And get this, 64% of new sellers are profitable in their very first year. It's totally achievable. So let's circle back. Is FBA dead? No way, it's just grown up. The opportunity is there for serious operators. The only question left is, are you ready?